Have you ever spent more time chopping vegetables than actually cooking the meal? From onions that make you tear up to potatoes, carrots, and cucumbers that seem to take forever to cut, meal prep can easily become the most time-consuming part of cooking. But what if there was a way to make the entire process faster, cleaner, and a lot less frustrating? Before we get started, if you love discovering smart Amazon finds, practical kitchen gadgets, and products that can genuinely make life easier, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest finds. Now let's take a look at one of Amazon's most popular kitchen gadgets, the Fullstar Pro Original Vegetable Chopper. This isn't just another vegetable cutter. It's an all-in-one food prep solution designed to help you slice, dice, chop, and prepare ingredients in a fraction of the time it would normally take. One of the biggest reasons home cooks love this gadget is its heavy-duty 420 stainless steel blades. They're razor-sharp, rust-resistant, and built to handle a wide variety of ingredients. Whether you're preparing tomatoes for a salad, onions for dinner, or potatoes for meal prep, this chopper delivers consistent results every time. The Fullstar Pro is available in multiple versions, ranging from 2-in-1 all the way up to 14-in-1 models, allowing you to choose the option that best fits your cooking style and kitchen needs. Another standout feature is the large 5-cup collection container. Instead of ingredients falling all over your cutting board, everything drops neatly into the container below. This means less mess, faster cleanup, and a more organized cooking experience. The thoughtful design doesn't stop there. A soft grip handle provides extra comfort and control while chopping, and the non-slip rubber base keeps the unit securely in place on your countertop. Plus, it's made from BPA-free materials, making it a practical choice for everyday cooking. Whether you're meal prepping for the week, following a healthy diet, cooking for your family, or simply trying to save time in the kitchen, this gadget can make a noticeable difference in your daily routine. And once you're done, cleanup is incredibly easy. The components are dishwasher safe, so you can simply place them on the top rack and let the dishwasher do the work. It's easy to see why this product has earned an impressive 4.5-star rating from over 128,000 customer reviews and continues to rank among Amazon's best-selling kitchen products. If you'd like to check out today's price, available colors, size options, and any current discounts, you'll find the product link in the description below. Make sure to check it out because Amazon deals and pricing can change at any time. And if you're enjoying these useful kitchen finds, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and let us know in the comments which gadget you'd actually use in your kitchen.